Indian vegetable curry, vegan, vegetarian, delicious. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at our vegetable selection. Now, these are all 2 cups each, roughly. Now, at the back, these are pretty much essentials. When you're making a sort of Indian curry, you're going to want potatoes, eggplants, and cauliflower in there. And then you can add whatever you want. I'm adding green beans and bell peppers, carrots, mushrooms, anything else goes really. So 2 cups of each of those 5, 1 cup of onion, 3 cups of tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato because we want that to break down and make the masala or the curry sauce. And then fresh chili up to you. Right, a few other bits to look at. Okay, and then here we've got ginger garlic paste. I've got a tablespoon of that. Ginger garlic paste is a mixture, 50-50 mix of the 2. You can buy it in most stores or get it online, or like us, we make it ourselves because we use so much of it. On the other side, I've got cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons, and then in there's 1 teaspoon of each: salt, pepper, turmeric, chili, coriander, and cumin powder. Let's get moving. So we're going to start off with some oil. Now the oil that I'm using today, let me just grab a spoon, is coconut oil. I've got like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which I'm just going to melt down. Now if you want, use another oil. Coconut's delicious though. So I'm on an above medium heat, and I'm going to drop in those 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and let them just do their thing for a few seconds. Then the 1 cup of onion. And then I'm going to be adding my potatoes now. So if you had carrots, for example, probably want to get them in now as well. About 3 minutes, stirring often. So the potatoes are extremely hard, of course, still, but we'll just give them a little head start. I'm now going to go in with my eggplant, and cut your vegetables how you like, but just kind of cut them in a fairly similar size. Let's get our fresh chili in. I mean, the amount's up to you. We're now going to go in with that tablespoon of ginger garlic. And we're going to stay on this above medium heat for another 3 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Now 3 cups of fresh tomatoes. And like I say, if you can cut them small and try and use a nice juicy tomato, it's going to help them break down a bit easier. 1 teaspoon salt, pepper, turmeric, coriander, chili powder, cumin powder. In that goes. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes or so now. Hopefully, we're going to get some moisture from the tomatoes. If not, we're going to add some water, which we might do anyway. Stir often. Now look, you can see that I've got a ton of moisture from my tomatoes. If you didn't, don't worry about it. Well, I'm going to add now my cauliflower, or my gobi, and my green beans. Now I've still got 1 vegetable to go, and that's bell peppers. So I'm just going to hold them back a little bit. Now if I had mushrooms as well, I'd be adding them in at the same time as the bell peppers. So let's just go for another 3 or 4 minutes here. But look at that beautiful, colourful, lovely, delicious mixture of vegetables that we've got there. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. So I'm now going to go for our final veg, which is the bell peppers there. Mixture of different colors again. You can just use green if you want. Now we're going to add some water. Well, you can just get this to the consistency that you want. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop the heat down, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. And I'm going to let this go. It's probably going to take about 6 or 7 minutes. What you want to do is check out your potatoes and stuff like that when they're tender. We've only gone and done it, haven't we? Okay, beautiful stuff. Now I'm really happy with that consistency. You could make it thinner if you want, a bit more watery, but I'm really good there. Those vegetables are nice and tender, potatoes are good. We've got 2 more ingredients to add. One is a nice big pinch, maybe about half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now garam masala powder is a kind of finishing spice. That's the stuff. Get it in most stores, if not online. And then cilantro or coriander, as much or as little as you like. Check that for salt. That is an absolute beauty. And there we have it, super easy, absolutely wonderful. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.